In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of verifying your Lloyds bank card for Apple Pay. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So, let's begin. First of all, open your web browser and search for the Lloyds bank website and click the first result that appears. Now, you need to log into your account. After you have logged in, head to the search bar and look for Apple Pay. At this point, click on the Apple Pay help articles. Here you'll find information on why you should use Apple Pay and how to set it up. Just follow those steps and you'll be all set to use Apple Pay. Scrolling down, you'll come across instructions on how to verify your Lloyds cards for Apple Pay. If you are using the Apple Pay application and adding your Lloyds bank card, you'll need to go through a verification process. However, if you're using the Apple Wallet application, you can verify it with a one-time password, either through their app or by giving them a call. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.